was that, Daisy? I don't see anybody around. Daisy's standing on the side of our pond, getting ready to strip down and take a bath, like people used to do in the olden days when there were Princesses and the Frog. I am doing a collab today with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. And what we're doing is Princess in the Frog. The idea here is Daisy stripped down and feels like somebody's watching her. The only person around that Daisy saw was this cute little frog. And as silly as it sounds, and because no one is around, she's gonna kiss it. As soon as she kissed the frog, something happened. Can you see his head? What happened next was amazing. It took how many hours on a 3D printer to get into this, dear? This is a ball jointed, elastic strung frog doll that I absolutely love, that we have turned into a frog prince. This doll's hands are amazing. I can put fingers up and fingers down, and I think he can, Ayla, do the Vulcan sign. Let me see. Yeah, Ayla, look at that. He can do the Vulcan sign. He can do a lot of different hand gestures, and yes, that one too. This fabric came from J Dolls UK a while back in a Happy Mail to me. And I had put it aside, didn't even think about it when I asked everybody if they wanted to do Princess and the Frog. I had seen the frogs on Thingiverse, and I thought, oh, you know, it'd be cute. And I thought of this. This is special material because it's from Jay. Thank you, Jay. And I think it turned out really well. Time has gone by. Daisy is now the queen with the frog king. And I was going to show you his little vest. I made it reversible. And, you know, princess and kings, they play chess. So I thought that would be a good print. I used an 18-inch doll vest pattern. Time has gone by, and they have a little frog prince of their own. And Daisy kisses him all the time, but until a little princess at the side of a pond comes along, he won't turn into a frog. Thank you for watching. Please go watch Jay, Tammy, and Beth's videos. We are sweltering here. Darren and I are drenched with sweat. The heat index is incredible. And watch all three of the videos of Beth, Tammy, and Jay. I know they are going to be incredible. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.